Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the McKenzie, it's like McKenzie wig from Envy. It's a really pretty medium ash blonde highlight on top of a light ash brown. So it's a really luscious color. It's a lot like their Mocha Frost, except this is basically its ashy doppelganger. It's a very pretty color, and it's definitely darker at the nape because the nape color is that light ash brown. So this one's really pretty. It's also very long, which is why I have the camera angled like this. This is definitely a boob hugger. She's really long, especially on somebody like me that has a kind of a squat torso. So the bang on McKenzie is 5.5 inches, definitely meant to be swept off to the side. This does not have a lace front or anything fancy like that, but it does have a really nice monofilament side part, and I'll show you more of that when I take the wig off. The crown down is 14.5 inches, the sides are 17.75 inches, and the nape is about 15 inches. The overall length from the crown to the bottom is 22 inches. Let me show you what McKenzie looks like on all sides. McKenzie has really natural hair density for how long she is. It doesn't feel like a ton of hair to me. I love the layering, especially down here at the bottoms. I think that's really flattering. This is a really nice option for folks that can't afford a whole lot of monofilament features. This one, or if you can't tolerate a lace front, this is a really nice option for that too. It's definitely got a lot less hair on it than say the Zara by John Renault, and it's got this really nice layering down here. She's really long. So I think this one's super cute. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take McKenzie off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So McKenzie is relatively low frills. As you can see, she does not have a lace front, as I mentioned. She does have felt and a little bit of polyurethane here where that monofilament part is. Okay, so the part is on the right on this wig. The part is on the right. She's wefted here on the top, and there is no permatease on the top of the wig, which is why it has such natural hair density. But because of that, this one's not a good candidate to wear in really elaborate updos because, you know, you might see the tracks. But I can't see anything up here. It looks fine as long as you keep the part exactly where it's supposed to be, in the middle of that monofilament part. And then we've got open weft here on the back and sides. We have a closed extended nape that adjusts a bit like a bra back here. And we also have closed lace on the ear tabs, and they are under knotted a little bit. Here's that Almond Breeze color a little bit closer up. You can see it's a really pretty dynamic color, heavily highlighted. So let me go ahead and put it back on for you now. So this has been my review of the McKenzie wig by Envy in the color Almond Breeze. Now Almond Breeze and Mocha Frost make really good substitutes for one another. So if this one's ever sold out, the other one's also really nice, but it's basically like the golden version of this. So if you really need ashy, then you really want to stick to the Almond Breeze. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you'll check out our wig store if you get a chance. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous afternoon. Bye-bye.